Motion denied. The retrial of Karen Reed is moving forward as planned. Her lawyers had been trying to delay the jury selection.
They're wrapping up pretrial hearings in anticipation of the main event again, as NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo reports with 2 weeks to go. Gabrielle.
Today was a wide-spanning lightning round of arguments around the rules and procedures for the Karen Reed retrial. It was supposed to be the final hearing before the start of jury selection, but they weren't able to get through everything today.
I'm not going to grant the motion.
As the second trial of the Commonwealth versus Karen Reed approaches, the Mansfield woman is back in court. Off the bat, a judge denied her team's attempt to delay the start of the retrial while a federal double jeopardy appeal is pending.
We have jurors coming in that were summoned months ago. I called the jury commissioner yesterday and asked how long it would take to get the right numbers that we were able to get starting April 1st. At a minimum, 10 weeks. I'm not going to do that.
She's also considering what witnesses can be called and what information can and can't be shared with the jury.
The court has been very clear on third-party culprit, and they can't just come in and start accusing people arbitrarily of committing the crime of murder.
The Commonwealth wants there to be restrictions surrounding her team's third-party culprit defense. Reed's defense is alleging her Boston cop boyfriend, John O'Keefe, was killed, but not by Reed, identifying them today in open court.
Potential third-party culprits that we have identified are Brian Albert, Brian Higgins, and Colin Albert.
Both sides also arguing over what can be shared about O'Keefe's state of mind regarding their relationship.
He was in the course of attempting to end the relationship with Miss Reed.
They were a loving couple, out one evening, having drinks with friends, in a good mood, and happy with one another.
While some motions were quickly agreed upon by both sides, the judge will rule on several others at a later date.
Yesterday's firing of lead investigator, Mass State Trooper Michael Proctor, also came up in court today. Both sides received his internal affairs files now that that process has wrapped up, but they haven't had time to go through them yet. They'll be back in court Tuesday to try and finish everything up before jury selection begins the following week. In studio, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.